Welcome to Ancient Arts Aromatherapy. Today we're going to make something that I love. I love it because it's so easy to take with me wherever I want to. Our goal here is to teach you how to take aromatherapy from your home to anywhere else you go in your life. I want you to have it with you whenever and however and wherever you need it. So if you need it to fit in your pocket, I need it to fit in your pocket. If you need to use it at home in a diffuser and space it in an option, then you have a diffuser at home. If you use it in lip balm, however it takes, I want you to be able to apply aromatherapy in your life anywhere, at any time, at any place. So, having said that, today we're going to be making an inhaler. They're so easy to make. It's a really quick process. It might take you a minute and a half. Here we go. Our supplies we're going to be starting with are a pair of tweezers, a cotton reed, an inhaler tube, which there is 3 parts to that, okay? And then the blend we're going to be making today is an allergy blend to help with a stuffy nose from the pollen and the weeds and everything that's blooming in the spring, to give you a little comfort and help you take some deep breaths. And you can stick it in your pocket so you can take it with you wherever you want to take it. So what we're going to do is, first you take the reed and you hold it in one hand with the tweezers, and all you do is you don't drop it. All you do all you do is put a drop on the reed. So the blend today is frankincense, peppermint, eucalyptus, lemon, lavender, and tea tree. So I'm going to take 2 drops of the frankincense and just pour it right on there. 2 drops of the peppermint. There you go. Smells wonderful in here. 2 drops of the eucalyptus. And then we're going to take and use 2 drops of the lemon. There we go. And then 1 drop of the lavender. And 1 drop of the tea tree. There we go. And then what you do is you insert this into the tube. You just snap on the cap. I like to give it a couple shakes, and then you just screw it in, and it's ready. So whenever you want to use it, you just take a good sniff, and then it helps open up your head. So it's nice and easy, it's quick, you can carry it in your pocket, nobody even knows it's in your pocket. You can use pretty much any blend you want that you like and that you know about to help with so many different things. We're using the Eden's Garden essential oils and the Guru Nanda essential oils, and the link is below. You can click on it, but also you can get these refillable reeds and the inhaler tubes at Amazon.com. And I want to give you a little note about these. This is a hard plastic, and you can reuse it. You could sterilize it, wash it out. You can take the tube out, you just pop the bottom off, pull it out. It's recommended you throw that away because we don't want you to have something that bacteria might grow in, because it's bound tight together. So in the center it can hold moisture, and you don't want bacteria to grow. So they're not expensive at all. Just order new ones, throw the old ones away. You can sterilize this and reuse it if you want. But these also are very inexpensive, and you can get new ones and you know that they're nice and sterilized and clean. So I leave that up to you. But this one is for allergy season. Try it out. Let me know how you like it. And thank you again for joining us. Check the link below.